Good mood tayo today dahil dumating na yung BLKX Bash! Ganon. Wala akong baon serye today kasi suspended na naman ang classes ni Bebe B. Kaya naman, let's unpack this beautiful, beautiful on the day. My on the day Bagalium bells. Yes, truly. I'm in love. Perfectionism. Feeling ko magiging ito yung everyday on the go Bagalium bells ko. If ever na pupunta lang kami somewhere, dyan lang kami sa mall, ganon, maghahatid, susundo. Feeling ko ito na yon. Yes. Wow. Ito na yun. And, may ka-partner na siya. Ito talaga, lagayan ko to ng ng free buds ko. Yarn. So, I'm so happy. Natuwa ako kasi marami daw tong compartments. And, totoo naman yan siya, mother. With open compartment, mesh open compartment, with, dust bag, perfectionism, and zipper compartment. As a very, very compartmentalized Mimi, mahilig talaga ako sa mga ganitong klaseng bagelya. And maganda dyan, body bag talaga to. Pero pwede ko siyang i-adjust as shoulder bag. Wow! Ayan. Sabi nga ni Miss Deliciousness, you just have to pull out the tentacle over here. Pull it out to adjust the perimeter. And then you can stick it to the sticker. Okay, perfection! Sobrang happy naman ang Mimi na ito. I can't believe it. But wait, there's more. There is another compartmentalized over here. Ay, perfection. Pwede ako maglagay ng cellphone dyan. At dito, ang key to success. Perfect, perfect. Kaya naman, I'm so happy. Buti umabot ako dito. Sa stock na to. The best budol ever.